Does opening your drawer feel like opening a door to chaos? If finding one pen feels like an impossible mission, it's time to declutter your drawer in for super simple ways that can change how your entire space feels. Let's get into it. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common problem with a powerful solution: how to declutter your drawer in for easy, effective ways. This guide is designed to help you clear the mess, organize your space, and create a drawer that actually works for you. Whether it's your junk drawer, office drawer, or bedside table, these methods are beginner-friendly and will simplify your life. Let's jump into the first method. 1. The full empty and sort method. The very first thing you need to do is take everything out of the drawer. Seriously, everything. This might sound obvious, but many people skip this step. Lifting a few things and pushing others aside doesn't count. You need to remove every item so you can see what's really inside. Once everything is out, give the drawer a good clean. A damp cloth with a mild cleaner can remove dust and crumbs you didn't even know were there. Now that you have a clean, empty drawer, it's time to sort. Lay out all the items on a flat surface and start grouping them. Pens with pens, chargers with chargers, receipts with receipts. You're looking for patterns here. What's taking up the most space? What do you use often? What don't you even recognize? This step gives you a full picture and sets the tone for better drawer organization. 2. Keep, toss, rehome strategy. Now that everything is sorted, start making decisions. Go through each group and ask yourself 3 questions. Do I use this? Do I need this? Does this belong here? If the answer is yes to all 3, you keep it. If not, toss it or rehome it. Rehoming simply means finding a better spot for it. Maybe the drawer isn't the right place for a roll of tape or a pair of sunglasses. They might belong in your toolbox or your car. Decluttering your drawer effectively means being honest about what belongs and what doesn't. This method helps eliminate clutter in a focused and practical way. Many people hang on to things just in case. But trust me, if you haven't used it in months and it doesn't serve a real purpose, it's just taking up space. 3. Compartmentalize like a pro. Once you know what's staying, it's time to organize smartly. Don't just throw everything back into the drawer in a random pile. Use small containers, dividers, or even empty boxes to create compartments. This is one of the best drawer organization ideas you'll ever try. Having designated sections for different items not only looks good but makes your life so much easier. Your pens go here, your notepads go there, your charger gets its own corner. Now, every time you open the drawer, everything is exactly where it should be. Even if you're working with a tiny space, small space organization is possible with a little creativity. Repurpose items you already have: ice cube trays for small things, muffin tins for round items, or even cardboard boxes cut to fit. 4. The weekly reset ritual. You've done the hard work. Your drawer is clean, sorted, and organized. But how do you keep it that way? The final method is a weekly reset. Every week, pick a day, maybe Sunday, or your quiet morning, and take 2 minutes to look through your drawer. Are things still in place? Did something sneak in that doesn't belong? Toss any new clutter and straighten things out. This habit prevents your drawer from turning back into a mess. And the more you practice this, the quicker it becomes. This quick drawer declutter routine is the secret to long-term results. Over time, your brain starts associating the drawer with order and calm. That changes how you interact with it. Instead of bracing yourself for a mess, you open it knowing it'll support your day. You just learned 4 easy and powerful ways to declutter your drawer. 1. Completely empty and sort the contents. 2. Use the keep, toss, and rehome strategy. 3. Use compartments to organize items. 4. Maintain it with a weekly reset. Decluttering your drawer may seem small, but it has a big impact. It gives you control over your space. It saves you time. It reduces daily frustration. Most of all, it shows you that change is possible one drawer at a time. Now it's your turn. Choose one drawer. Try these 4 methods, and tell me in the comments how it changed your space. I'd love to hear your results.